Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a portfolio rebalancing schedule with Vanguard. To set up a portfolio rebalancing schedule with Vanguard, start by logging into your Vanguard account. Next, navigate to the My Accounts section. Select Portfolio from the drop-down menu. Review your current asset allocation by clicking on Asset Allocation or Portfolio Analysis. Identify your target asset allocation based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Compare your actual asset allocation against your target allocation. If there are significant discrepancies, it's time to rebalance. Go to the Trade section on the Vanguard platform. Select Buy and Sell and choose your investment accounts. Determine which assets to sell and which to buy in order to reach your target allocation. Enter the amount or percentage of each asset you wish to trade. Confirm the transactions and review the changes to ensure they align with your goals. Now, establish a rebalancing schedule. Decide whether to rebalance quarterly, semi-annually, or annually based on your preference and market conditions. Set calendar reminders to review your portfolio at the chosen intervals. Consider monitoring your portfolio regularly for any significant market fluctuations. When necessary, adjust your rebalancing strategy if your financial goals or risk tolerance change. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a consistent rebalancing schedule in place with Vanguard. This will help maintain your desired asset allocation over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.